So we installed some new to NAM carpet. It's not bad. It looks way cleaner than the wholly dirty one that he had, which is now out there. And we're doing all of this, might as well, as we are putting in a new roll bar, which will be test fitted soon. And just painted his wheels. Looks pretty good. And we'll see what kind of holes and stuff we have to drill, what parts we have to bend. We'll test fit soon. Alright, so today we're changing out these old worn brake pads. They're almost gone, and they actually were unwearing unevenly because they were missing one of the little brackets that hold all the pads together. So we got new front hardware, some Brembos to put in, and then we'll be ready for Big Bear, right? Yeah. Cool. So we added a NB OEM wind deflector to your roll bar. Didn't really have to do anything special with the brackets. We just used the existing little snap bolts back there, whatever they're called, 10x bolts or something. And then we'll just use one bolt for now. It feels pretty solid. So now you have some extra storage space. Hopefully protects you from the wind a little bit better. And it still works with the roll bar, but you know, just opening and closing the roll bar will probably be a little bit more pain now, or the top. It should be okay. We'll test it out this weekend, see how it feels. Alright, cool. How long did it take to install?
Like less than 3 minutes.
Okay.